Okay guys, so I just changed out my stock Harley Davidson LED turn signals that came on my 2019 CVO Road Glide. There's the stock. As you can see, the plug-in in the back. They give you absolutely no extra wire to get to that. It's not easy at all for these Arlen Ness style LED turn signals. I had them on an old Road Glide and I just thought they looked cool. See what they look like. So there's your running light. It's white and then it's amber. Of course, when you turn the signal light on. So I haven't seen anyone do these before. You would think you have to take the fairing off to get to it. There's one bolt behind it. The other bolt is actually inside the inner fairing. So you have to take this whole fairing cover off just to get to it, to give yourself more wire. But all I did, once you pop the cover off, I was able to pry this out and rotate it where I could get to this button with a pick. And I pushed down on the button and it just released. So it made probably a couple-hour job into just simple, easy, quick job. So that's it. That's what it looks like on my new CVO. I like them. Thanks a lot.